Meat is tenderized using lime juice and salt. It's then sautéed with caramelized onions and whole spices. Turmeric and chili powder are added to the meat before transferring it to an instant pot with water, and it's cooked before transferring back to the kadai or wok to dry up and slow cook. Salt, yogurt and garam masala are added, and this dish, once dry, is finished off with chopped coriander. Welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today we're going to be making the very popular Bhuna Gosht. This is mutton or lamb that's going to be cooked in a pressure cooker, and then it's going to be dried up in a kadai. It has a ton of spices and is super delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I have 1 kg or 2.2 pounds of bone-in mutton or lamb. I'm going to add the juice of half a lime and salt to taste. The lime juice and the salt are just going to help to tenderize the meat. I have a large wok or kadai here, and I'm going to saute 2 cups of sliced onions. Onions are a big part of this dish. I'm going to add a 1-inch stick of cinnamon, 2 black cardamoms, 2 Star Anise, 5 green cardamoms, 5 cloves, and 10 peppercorns. Allow the onions to cook till they are caramelized and brown. Add a bit more oil. Next, I'm going to add the meat in, and I'm going to allow this to sear. I'm also going to add 3 tablespoons of crushed ginger and garlic. I just pounded this ginger and garlic in my mortar and pestle. I'm going to mix this well with the meat. Once the meat has a little bit of a sear, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I'm going to follow this with 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Mix this well together. Now I'm going to transfer all of this to my Instant Pot so I can pressure cook it. If you like, you can sear the onions and the meat in the Instant Pot itself, but it's much easier to do it in the kadai where the heat is higher and there's more surface area for cooking. Next, I'm going to add 400 ml of water. If you're using a regular pressure cooker, you can add 500 ml instead of 400 ml. With the Instant Pot, you can add a bit less as it builds up a lot of steam, which then converts to water. Close the Instant Pot, and I'm going to set it to sealing mode. Now I'm going to select pressure cook, and I'm going to set the timer for 15 minutes. Once the pressure valve drops, open the lid. Now I'm going to transfer everything back to the wok or kadai. The meat is cooked, but we want to dry up the gravy, and we want to literally bhuna or fry the meat. This gravy could take about 10 to 15 minutes to dry up. Just keep stirring. Add salt to taste. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 2 tablespoons of garam masala. it's always best to use fresh garam masala. I will leave a link at the end of this video and in the description to make your own fresh garam masala. I'm going to finish off with 1 tablespoon of ghee, and half a cup of chopped coriander, and this is ready to eat with some roti or naan. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings for Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this very delicious recipe for Bhuna Gosht and you try it in your own home. If you love the recipe, guys, give it a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment below. I really love to hear from you. And if you like this recipe, share it with your family and friends so they can enjoy it as well. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I upload a lot of behind the scenes footage there. So follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.